Good morning, and welcome back to the farm. In 2 weeks, I will leave my corporate position, which I've held for decades, and spend a lot more time here at the farm. As you reach a certain maturity, retirement is either you can take it or it's thrust upon you. Either way, I have the opportunity to fight the corporate drudge, neophytic views of many, or I can spend time here at the farm. When you get the opportunity to see this every day in your front yard, sun's coming up, it's about 6:30, middle of July. It's about 75 degrees and probably 90-some% humidity. It's hard to walk away from it. So before I truly do get old and potentially not able to do what I do every day, which is get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, do my farm stuff, leave my home at about 4:40, drive to my corporate position, spend all day in fun and frolic up there, then about 3:30, 4 o'clock, somewhere in there, drive home, which I'm an hour and 10 minutes away from this corporate position, by the way, and come home and spend the rest of the day on the farm, usually working till somewhere around dark. Something's got to give. After 31 years of this routine, it's time for me to stay home. Oh yeah, if anyone thinks I am quietly walking into the night, you better think again. Until next time, see you down at the barn.